Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this DREAMIZER shift knob cover. So this comes with a few different things here. So if you have a manual, it comes with these little different shifter positions go on there. And it also has, this is that, so that looks pretty cool. It's like a nice like leather look there with like double stitching in red around that. That looks pretty cool. And it has some curved like 3M tape that just goes right on there. And then this is gonna, one of these will stick on there and it's gonna look something like that. So that's pretty cool. Also in the box, it has, looks like a variety of stem sizes adapters here. So basically these are going to go in the bottom here. You're going to be able to take your stem here and put it over the existing one right in there. Put your little screws in there to hold it in place. It has 3 of them, so that's pretty solid. And then screw this metal piece back on there to keep it in place. So we're gonna go demonstrate that in our vehicle. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. Actually, I like the feel of it. Nice ergonomic type shape there and feels pretty solid. So let's go install that and check it out. All right, my friends, I just wanted to show you this real kind of an up-close view here of what it's going to look like. Obviously, whatever one of these you want to put on there is how it's going to turn out. And so that's going to be, looks really actually kind of like a racing type colors and stuff like that. Like the red in there, the red stitching looks kind of like spider webbing or something like that. Nice quality. It's a good size here, fits nicely in the hand. This comes off nicely. Easily. It features 3 screw holes, so you can secure those onto the shifting stick easily and not have to worry about them. Maybe if you only had one on there, it might come off there or something like that, so you don't want to worry about that. So that's also good. And then there's screws on here because nice and stainless steel, no fingerprints are showing on here. Easy to clean, and this is on here nice and tight. There's no like gaps or anything like that. It's not like ripping the leather, so I think it looks really elegant. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was useful. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time.